Welcome back, everybody. This is Double J Sports Cards here, back to you with another group break. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Today we have 4 mega box break, $25 for 3 random teams. We have another one going up shortly after this video goes live. We are going to be posting another group break for everybody. If you are interested, please go check it out. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below of this video. Last one filled up extremely fast. Very thankful for that. Very thankful that everybody is here to join us. Have a little bit of fun, see if I can't pull anything super sick out of it for you guys. But like I said, if you want to get involved in the next one, head over to my eBay page and we'll get breaking again as soon as possible. This one did fill up a lot sooner than I was expecting, so we are opening a couple days early. Normally I like to break on Friday nights, but everybody was super excited to get this break done, so we're doing it a little bit sooner. And hey, if we can fill up another one, we'll do another break on Friday, hopefully. Alright, so we're going to get into this 4 BOWMAN mega boxes. See if we can pull something sick for somebody, for multiple people I should say. Box number 1. And so I've learned actually the trick for the serial numbers here. I'm not going to reveal it to you guys because I kind of want to keep it a surprise for everybody on which is going to be banger, but if I get one, I will save it for last. Hopefully I can get a couple of them out here. Wow. Okay, well, let's get into this. What a time. Let's go. Alright. Alright, well, now I've already even forgotten which one are the better boxes, but let's go. Oh, actually, yep, you are correct there, Bill. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, so to start off, we gotta do the randomizer. I'll just get those open and ready to go. Let me put this on the screen so everybody can see it. Randomizer. So I have it in order of which everybody paid. I just put it straight in that order based off of time. Second list here for the teams. Thank you, Bill, for reminding me. I do appreciate that. Teams just in order from alphabetical based on city. Alright, so we're going to roll the dice. The dice will determine how many times we roll the list of everybody's names and how many times we roll the team list. We get 11. So we're going to roll both lists 11 times. And whatever comes up to it is what we'll go with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last time, 11. Alright, here's our list for the names. And for the teams, same thing. 11 times, 6 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the final time here, good luck everybody, 11. So if you are in the 1 spot, you will get teams 1, 11, 21. And as it goes from there, 2 gets the 2 spot, 12 and 22, and so on and so forth. Okay, Bill D, you get Phillies, Cardinals, and the big old Yankees. Seung, you get the Astros, Giants, and Orioles. Edward, you get the Cubs, Padres, and Mariners. Sung again, you get the Rays, Mets, and Nationals. Jason W, back-to-back here, we get Arizona Diamondbacks, Dodgers, Indians, Brewers, Red Sox, and Reds. Texas Rangers for Armando Guzman. You'll get Texas Rangers, Royals, and Rockies. Chip, welcome back again. Los Angeles Angels, Minnesota Twins, Atlanta Braves. Mark, you get the Chicago White Sox, Blue Jays, and Tigers. Donald B, you get the Pirates, Marlins, and Oakland Athletics. Good luck, everybody. Hope everybody enjoys what they've gotten, and hopefully we get something sick for everybody. I already got the packs open here. Finally got the Yankees. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll see. See if we can't pull something absolutely nuts out of these. I am very excited for this one. Put this to the side. You might have got the worst teams, but you never know on what players actually get pulled. You could always hit the better of the actual pulls, making it worth it. So you never know. And if you guys don't mind here, I'm not really going to be reading off all the paper cards. We'll kind of just breeze through these. Aquino here. Julio Rodriguez and Hunter Green for the Chromes. And that's your second row of teams. Hold on one second. If you guys ever just need a quick look at where your teams were again, just let me know. I don't mind showing it again. Sung, Rays, Mets, and Nationals for your second team, your second group. All right, Yordan Alvarez, very nice. Yu Chang, Nick Allen, and for the Chromes, we got Tyler Freeman and Miguel Maya. Third pack of the first box, Yamamoto, Otani, Whit Merrifield, what a beast, Christian Yelich. And for the Chromes in the third pack, we got Logan Davidson and Brian Hayes. Fourth and final pack of the first box. Giolito, Urena, Amaya, Madrigal, and first Bowman Varland for the Chromes. Here comes the fun part. Get the mojos going. See if I can actually open the mojos. Usually this always contains at least one rookie of the year favorite in one of these. So let's see here. We got Jazz Chisholm mojo, Colton Welker, Zach Brown. Very nice. Look at that already. What a start First box, we get Justin Dunn, numbered to 99, green, Rookie of the Year favorites. And right behind that, we got another one, Dustin May. Right behind that, another Rookie of the Year. Rookie of the Year favorites, I should say. This one is not numbered, but Dustin May. What a great start. What a great start. Number to 99. Who had the Rays there? Who got the first hit of the night? Rays went to Seung. Very nice. Very nice. Second. Everything, all chromes and mojos will all be they'll all be sleeved up for everybody. So don't worry about them being taken care of. They will be most definitely taken care of. Trammell. Yeah, Alex Manoah. David Garcia. Wander Franco. Very nice. Another Rays beast. We got Isaac Paredes for Spanning the Globe. That does it for the first box. Nice little start to it. Second pack. Second box. Let's go with this one. I'm sure you guys probably heard that that car out back. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people that like to think they're very cool by revving their engines out here. Yes, Wander Franco, absolute beast. Alright, we got Matt Chapman, Kikuchi, Castillo, Jeff McNeil, Joe Adele. And we got Varland, Nate Pearson, and for the Chromes, we got Hunter Green. Behind that, we got a Pawson. Very nice, Pawson. Very, very nice. Myself personally, I did not collect Pawson, but I know there are a lot of people that do. Go ahead and set that one aside. Cool. I'm very glad to hit that one for you then, Sung. Very, very glad to hit a Wander Franco for you. Alright, we got Francisco Lindor, Muncy, Seth Brown, Shane Bieber, Cody Bellinger, Blake Rutherford, Tristan Casas, Dylan Carson, and behind that for the Chromes, we got Colton Welker and Julio Rodriguez. Wander Auto, very nice. 50, 99, and 150. Going for the rainbow there, huh? Alright. Third pack of the second box. We got Xander Bogaerts, Acuna, Diaz, AJ Puck, Bobby Bradley, Joey Cantillo, Jackson Rutledge. And for the Chromes, we got Matt Manning. And behind that, we have Terang. Fourth and final pack of the base ones. Aquino, Alvarez, Horner, Cabrera, Bojarski, Jeremy Pena, Hernandez, and for the Chromes, we have Nick Bennett, first Bowman, and Jesus Sanchez for the Chromes. Bill, I think you found yourself a buyer if you are looking for buying or looking to sell. Now for the Mojo packs. First one, we got Clark Schmidt, very nice. Joey Bart, first Bowman Jeremy Pena, Hassel de la Cruz, and for the Rookie of the Year, Sam Hilliard for the Rockies. Final pack of the second box. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, good luck. We got Hans Cruz, Brian Mata, JJ Bleday, and Dane Dunning. For this last one, not too bad, not too bad. We got an auto, Andrew Vaughn, Chicago White Sox. Congratulations. Who's got the White Sox here? Mark. Congratulations, Mark. Got yourself an auto already. We still have 2 more boxes to go. Boom. That is what we're talking about. I know some of these autos don't always go for that much. I'm not familiar with what Andrew Vaughn is on the market. But you never know. You literally just hold on to some autos and you never know in the future. Congratulations, though. Got the first auto of the night. Let me get that one to the top loader. Gotta open a new package here. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with what he goes for, like on the market wise. But an auto is an auto at the end of the day. I've heard good things. I mean, PSA is obviously the more popular one, but I've also heard good things about BGS. Me personally, I actually haven't had anything graded. I just hold on to everything. At least for right now, I haven't heard of anybody really getting gradings done right now. I'm sure there are people that are still sending their stuff off, but I haven't heard of anybody in specific. Obviously, with everything going on. Didn't even get that one into the picture there. Back here. That does it for the second box. Let's go with this one. I have heard that SGC is one of the more popular ones to go with for autos. PSA is usually for everything else though. Yeah. So that's the May, Grisham, DeJong, Biggio, Juan Soto, Gunnar Henderson, Lodolo, and for the Chromes you have Drew Waters and Spencer Howard. Yeah, see, that's another thing too, is with the black borders, some people prefer that on certain cards. Certain inserts look kind of, I guess, cleaner, look better with the black border. Escobar, Joey Votto, Starling Castro, Alzolay, Nick Diaz, Javier, Jazz Chisholm, Joey Barton for the Chromes. We have Alex Manoah for the Blue Jays, and Nolan Jones for the Cleveland Indians. All right, third pack of the third box: Gleyber Torres, Buster Posey, AJ Puck, Bobby Bradley, Nico Horner, John Diaz, Oscar Gonzalez, and for the Chromes, we got a nice little Christian Pache there, and a Cole Winn, very nice. Mohamed Zara, Xander Bogaerts, Ronald Acuna, Miguel Cabrera, Eddie Rosario, Edelman, Mata, Clark Schmidt, and for the Chromes, we have first Bowman Cantillo, and behind that is Jordan Adams. All right, good luck, everybody. Mojo packs out of the third box. I was trying to get that out without showing everybody, but I failed. You got Amaya, Bobby Witt Jr. Boom. Everybody loves Bobby Witt there. Especially here in Kansas City. I know some of the card prices have gone down a little bit, but hopefully the season will start back up soon, and then stuff will start going right on back up. Bobby Witt, there we go. And more of the Mojos, Colton Welker, Zach Brown, and behind that we have the Rookie of the Year favorite. We have Bruisdog Graterol. Very good. I think he was in the last group break last week. I am definitely a fan. I think he's got the stuff for it. He is quite the beast. All right. And for the the final pack of the third box. Boom. What a way to start it. I don't even have a mojo myself, but there you go. There you go. I think Bill, right? Bill, you got the Yankees? Boom. There you go. Starting off with a Mojo Chrome Jason Dominguez. That's the way we do it around here. Hooking people up. Hooking people up. There we go. I've opened plenty of these mega boxes myself, and never have I hit anything more than just a Chrome Jason Dominguez, and I'm already getting you a Mojo Chrome. Look at that. Congrats. And behind that we got Oscar Gonzalez, another Mojo Chrome for the Yankees, Davey Garcia, and Wander Franco again. Boom. There you go, Young. Very first Jason. Congrats. Congrats. I'm glad I could be that person to give you the first Jason that you got. And we got... All right. Oh, man. Cool. We're just hooking people up today. Boom. We got another Yankees. And this one's got an auto on it. Jake Sanford. There you go, Bill. What a pack for you. Jake Sanford auto. Autos, autos, autos. Here we go. Very nice. Yeah, Yankees are hot. That is for sure. Congratulations, Bill. What a couple boxes already. I opened the wrong ones for myself. Wow. All right. All right, and we move. Matt Chapman, Kikuchi, Max Scherzer, Jose Altuve, the cheater, Luis Robert, Bobby Dalbec, sorry, and Logan Gilbert, Aaron Ashby, first Bowman, and another Wander Franco. Man, you said you liked Wander. There you go. There you go. Sorry, move these out of the camera view there. Let's see here. Popping my Yankee cherry. Oh yes. What a way to do it. What a way to do it. Alright, we got second pack of the final box here. Luis Castillo, Alberto, Soroka, Austin Nola, Logan Allen. We got our first Jarren Duran of the night. First Bowman. Joey Cantillo. Leody Tavares. And we got Chrome Jared Kalenic. And Chrome Jesus Sanchez. Alright. Third pack, Robo Garcia, Jesus Luzardo, Justin Dunn, Dylan Cease, Nolan Arenado. First Bowman, Jackson Rutledge. First Bowman, Bujarski, Drew Mendoza. And for the Chromes, we got Bram Campusano and Brady Singer. Final pack of the bones, so the regular bones. All right, we got Anthony K rookie card, Abraham Toro rookie card, Aaron Savale, Lorenzo Cain, Pete Alonso, Jeremy Pena, Christian Robinson, and we got Eric Pardinho. For the Chromes, we have Dane Dunning and Brady McConnell for the Royals. All right, here we go. Final two packs. Let's get an auto of Wander. I hope I can pull you that. That would be absolutely sick. I hope so. Trying to show everybody for these. Alright. For the Mojos, we have Alvaro Sejias, Joe Adell, very nice. There's a Mojo Joe Adell. Brady Singer. Bryce Turin. And for our Rookie of the Year favorite, AJ Puck. AJ Puck. Final pack. Good luck, everybody. Hope this is that Wander, that Jason. Something nuts here. Make sure I got everything right there. All right, we got Nolan Jones, Cody Jose, Austin Beck, Jared Kalenic. Behind that, we have Dason Brown for Spanning the Globe, Toronto Blue Jays. So did not end an auto with that one, but we did get two autos tonight. Got two autos and a number card. What a good night for pulls. Like I said again, we will be doing this again, hopefully as soon as possible. As soon as it fills up, if everybody's okay with it again, we can literally just do it that same night, the night after, whatever works for best for everybody else. I will be posting another one of these on eBay shortly after this. We will get everybody included that we can possible. Obviously, you guys will be the first to know since you guys are here right now. So if you haven't already, go to my eBay page. Follow it so that way you can see everything there right when I post it. But what a good night for some pulls here. We got Bobby Witt Jr., Mojo Chrome, first Bowman. We got a numbered to 99, Justin Dunn for the Seattle Mariners. Rookie of the Year favorites in green. We got Jason Dominguez, Mojo Chrome. We got Andrew Vaughn autograph for the White Sox. And we got Jake Sanford for the Yankees. How many